solve using the quadratic formula. In order to use the quadratic formula, what you need to do is you need to make sure that everything is equal to 0. So let's subtract 18. Let's subtract 18. And that leaves us with 8n squared minus 4n minus 18 equals 0. Once you have it equal to 0, label the number in front of n squared a, label the number in front of n b, and label the number that's floating around c. Now the quadratic formula is x equals, but this is going to be n equals. And let's sing a song. N equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. You're welcome. Now, normally it's x equals, but this is n because we were given n. So let's plug stuff in. N equals negative 4 plus or minus the square root of negative 4 squared minus 4 times a, which is 8, times c, which is negative 18, all over 2 times 8. All right, so let's do a few things. Negative 4 is positive 4, plus or minus the square root. 4 squared is 16. Well, negative 4 squared is 16. Either way, 16. 4 times 8 times 18 is 576. So, by the way, negative, positive 576. All over 2 times 8, which is 16 again. Okay, 4 plus or minus. You can combine these to get 592. Now the prime factorization is 592 is this. Okay, if you were to make a factor tree out of this, you would get 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times, what was the other one? 37. All over 16. Whenever you take the square root, you pull out groups of 2. So I'm going to pull out 1, 2, and pull out another 2. And that leaves me with 4 plus or minus 2 times 2, which is 4, square root of 37. That's going to be all over 16. Now I notice, oh, I can factor out a 4 out of both of these. So factor out a 4. 1 plus square root of 37 is going to be left over. I can factor a 4 out of 16. These cross out, and our final answer is going to be 1 plus or minus the square root of 37 over 4. Quadratic formula, baby.